Okay, good day. Introduce yourself.
Good day, ma'am and sir. I am Trina Berillo Gudjamat. I am a single. I have 4 children. 28, 26, 24, and 14 years old. My religion is Church of Christ. I have 4 brothers and 3 sisters. I am high school graduate. I am ex-abroad from Saudi Arabia in 2 years.
How many members?
My service.
How many members of the family?
Five members and one couple and 3 kids.
How old the children?
37, 35, and 20.
Are they all grown up, right?
Yes.
They're still staying with their parents before?
Yes.
And what do you do as their helper? What is your duties as their helper?
I am working in the house, madam. I cleaning the house, ironing, cooking, and the other work in the house.
You go to market?
Yes.
How often you go to market? Like how many times in 1 month?
4 times.
4 times. Okay. You go with your employer?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have any day off before?
No.
No day off.
No.
Okay. So, why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I want to work in Hong Kong because the higher of salary.
Okay. And are you ready to go Hong Kong anytime now?
Yes, ma'am.
How long you want to work in Hong Kong? How many years or how long you want to work in Hong Kong?
As long as my employer needs me.
Okay. So, are you willing to look for newly born baby?
Yes, ma'am.
You love kids?
Yes.
Can you handle naughty kids?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. There's a grandparent staying in the house. Is that okay for you?
Yes,
Are you willing to share job with other helper?
yes, ma'am.
Okay. Your future employer is watching you. What can you assure and promise to them?
I promise to my duties as your helper. I hope you will help me.
Okay. Thank you very much. HL 2308.